Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open the trunk of a Fiat 500. First, find your key fob. Look for the button with the trunk icon, usually located near the bottom. Press and hold this button for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll hear a click, and the trunk lid will slightly unlatch. Then, simply lift the trunk lid by hand to access the cargo area. It's a straightforward process once you know the trick. Sometimes, you might need to open the trunk from inside the car. Look for a small lever or button usually positioned on the driver's side, often near the floor or the door sill. Pull this lever firmly upwards or press the button. You'll hear the familiar click as the trunk unlatches. Then, just like with the key fob, you'll need to go to the back of the car and lift the trunk lid by hand to fully open it. What if your car battery is dead or you have an electrical issue? There's an emergency manual release. First, fold down the rear seats to gain access to the trunk interior. Once inside, look for a small glow-in-the-dark lever or a strap, usually located on the inside of the trunk lid. Pull this lever or strap firmly, and the trunk will unlatch. This method is crucial for accessing your trunk in unexpected situations. To close the trunk, simply lower the lid gently until it clicks into place. Make sure it's fully latched and secure before driving off. Avoid slamming it, as this can cause wear and tear over time. A gentle push is usually enough. Always double-check that the trunk is completely closed to prevent any items from falling out or the lid from unexpectedly opening while you are on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.